Hi everyone, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today I am here in Miami Beach and I'm staying in the beautiful Croydon Hotel, which is a fantastic hotel to stay in if you are thinking of doing a pre-cruise stay or maybe you want to explore Miami. We're staying here tonight for one night before we join Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, which we'll be doing in a few hours' time. But I just thought I'd give you a little look around this room that we're staying in, just so you can have a look and see if it's a hotel that you'd like to stay in. We've had a lovely stay here. I did sleep in this room last night, so if when I'm showing you around you see kind of the beds aren't made or you find rubbish or clothes around, that's just because I've actually slept in this room. I usually like to sleep in a room before I film them, just so I can get a feel for what the room's actually like before I share that with you guys. But just to give you a bit of a look around, that's the door coming in now. I'm on the 5th floor, and I've got a double bedroom basically. So you have got a little light there for a little light in this corridor if you want it. But just to give you a bit of a bearings as you come in, that's the main part of the room. But straight ahead of you is where you'll find things like the minibar if you want to use it. Now, I can't find a price tariff, so I have no idea how much any of this stuff costs. But they do take an incidental hold on your card when you do check in, so that would be how you pay for things like that. But then you do have an ice bucket here with glasses if you wanted to do that as well. And then power, if you needed it there as well. Light switches to kind of control the lights in this bit. And then you have a mini fridge here as well then with kind of drinks pre-stocked in there for you, which again, I'm assuming there is a charge, but I can't find how much the charge is for any of those items. And there's bottles of water and things like that in there as well. Then you've got this full-length mirror here then, which is really great for kind of just checking before you get out the door as well. And again, inside this is where you'll find then things like the safe and a little ironing board if you need it, as well as kind of extra fleece blankets in case you're cold in the night as well. Just behind me as you come in, that'll be where the air conditioning control is as well. So if you need to kind of turn the air conditioner on or off, I turned it off last night because it's quite cool in here and I'm used to it being a bit warm in the night. I don't like aircon on during the night, so I kind of turned that off last night. And then coming in a bit further through then, so I'm just going to turn here to the side. This is then where the bathroom is in this room. Hello. So you can just see now again. So I've got my toiletries out, things like that. So really nice, lovely room. Great features, some nice touches as well. So you do get your kind of toiletries included if you wanted them, hand lotion, things like that. What I thought was a really nice touch, and I'll kind of go up here first then I guess, is you do have separate then makeup cloths as well, but they also have the makeup removal wipes as well that kind of come as part of your amenities in the room, which I think is a really nice touch as well. And they've got specific cloths for removing makeup as well, so you're not kind of getting makeup all over the white towels. But then this is a nice touch as well. Then you've got your cotton buds in here as well then, and earbuds. Really handy, nice to have that in the room as well. And then, yeah, there's a little bit of light coming in there, more towels, toilet unit, and again, you've got the shower unit, which is a lovely shower, really nice and modern as well, with plenty of towels, and again, those amenities in the corner for you as well if you want to use them. Then just going through into the main bedroom then again. So this is the main bedroom. This, like I say, is a 2 double bedroom, so you can sleep up to 4 people if you wanted to, so great with families or friends traveling together if you wanted to. Got a little side unit there, which is where I've been putting my suitcases. You can see there my Virgin Voyages suitcase. We'll be going onto Scarlet Lady in a few hours' time. Some nice artwork on the wall, just a nice bit of colour. And then again, the 2 beds. So again, I slept in that further bed last night. A really nice bed, really nice and comfy. Got no real major complaints on it. The pillows were lovely. Really enjoyed that. And you've got kind of windows behind. I'll try and see if you can see outside, but you can just see kind of down the street there as well. Bedside unit as well then with the alarm clock, and you've got your kind of iPod features if you wanted to use them as well. These are a bit old now, but definitely you can see if you wanted to plug your iPhone into that and listen to music through it as well. I have no idea if it's Bluetooth. I don't think it is. But you've got that if you want to use your alarm. But in all honesty, in this day and age, I don't know many people that would use this rather than just using your own mobile phone. This is what we were given as a bit of a guide about the hotel. So if you want to see some of the features and facilities of the hotel, you can have a look here. What's really interesting about this hotel is they do have a free happy hour. So from 5 till 6 in the tavern restaurant, which is downstairs, they do have a signature drink of the day. We had 2. We had a vodka or gin drink, basically. So vodka or gin with a mixer. That was included for free for an hour. Don't think they anticipated 18 Brits on a travel agent event to turn up and kind of decimate that. But that's really nice that they've got that for you as well. Again, there is a pool here as well as a spa facility as well. I don't think Ray mentions it on here. There we go. There's a spa as well. So there's a spa here as well if you wanted to get spa treatments. So again, it's actually a really lovely kind of resort where there's lots of different options here for you as well. And again, bedside light, the control is inside it. So you do have to kind of get your hands in there to turn it on and off. It doesn't have any other light switch anywhere else that I've spotted, at least anyway. And then what's really cool and unique and why you would probably want to consider this hotel is we are quite literally just 1 block away from the beach. You could just see there as well. So we're 1 block away from the beach. I was up because we were a bit jet lagged this morning, so I got up had a walk over to the beach, and really lovely to have that and see that kind of in the distance. I got a really nice time lapse of the sun coming up, because this is obviously where the sun comes up, facing on this side of Miami. Really, really lovely to have that as well. The curtains are great. Like I said, I was up before the sun, so I haven't tested them in a complete blackout, but I didn't notice any kind of the street lights coming in during the night time when I had all those windows and curtains closed as well. So really, really lovely room. Then you've got obviously the chair there then with a footrest if you wanted to sit down and use that. And then you've got your TV and dresser unit here as well, which again, perfectly fine. There's nothing in these drawers, but you can store your stuff if you are having a longer stay than one night. You can do that as well. And again, then your TV with obviously local channels there as well for you. And then when we checked in, again, because this is a hosted event as well with Virgin Voyages, Virgin Atlantic, we did have a bottle of bubbles then, as well as a welcome gift for us when we checked in. But again, there's loads of features in the bar if you wanted to order drinks or food or things like that as well. So guys, just a quick little look around. Just close this mirror. It's obviously a really great hotel. It's in a great location if you kind of just wanted somewhere quick to kind of stay for a night or two before and then go on and explore either the wider Florida area or potentially maybe if you're doing a pre or post-cruise stay. Great hotel and a great location for you as well. If you are interested in booking a cruise and sailing from Miami, then definitely I'd love to help you. You can find me online. Definitely get in touch with us. The details are in the link below. And other than that, guys, all the best and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.